here, so that's good.
I don't know, maybe they gave me the wrong number, I'm not sure. Lights up. Why is it blinking? What does blinking mean? This is low flame signal, 7 flashes. So let me get the flame sensor out. Let's see what happens. good. No blinking this time. Okay, that was for one of our landlords we do a lot of work for. And that was just a quick, easy flame sensor in and out. Check the filter. It only had a screen. It wasn't that dirty. It's just a flame sensor cleaning. That's all you can do. I'm not going to order a new flame sensor. The thing was nice. After I cleaned it up, it was nice and neat. Not scored or anything. Like some people use sandpaper on the flame sensors, and that's not good. It scores them up. And once you score them up, it kind of makes the flame sensor collect the carbon more because of the grooves in the actual sensor itself. And that's one thing you never want to do. You never want to take sandpaper to that thing and just sand it right down, because it'll actually collect more with those grooves in that flame sensor. That flame sensor should be nice and smooth. So, not much to this one. Quick in and out service call for one of our landlords. And I will see you in the next one.